Hello and welcome to Wasteland Rush. The assignment for this project was to create a customization menu which would be related to a game. The game will feature post-apocalyptic vehicles using combat, and as you can see on the side here we have multiple items to equip to the vehicle, including wheels, equipment, engines, various engine parts, and different types of weapons including guns and rams. So the main functionality for the customizer is to drag and drop these items onto the vehicle preset. As you can see, the vehicle has different slots that have different item types assigned. So for example, if we have equipment, they can only be assigned to the locations where they're allowed to be assigned. This allows for different vehicles to have different types of setups with their slots, which I'll showcase with the other vehicles in a minute. But it is just a look at how all of the different parts connect to the vehicle. And of course, if you end up switching a piece around, it will automatically swap those for you. There's also a color customization, allowing you to change the color of the vehicle. This is useful if a player wants to save a preset under a specific variant and they have different color codes for those or something, or it's just nice to have different colors depending on your preferences for different vehicles. So there are other vehicles, a pickup and a road car, as well as the original hatchback car. So I'll show off that these have different slots again. These engine pieces can be selected in different places depending on the vehicle. So each individual vehicle is unique in the way that it has a composition of different assigned slots, but overall all of the pieces work for all of the vehicles, meaning you can create any type of vehicle setup that you want to. And again, the color customization for this one. An additional feature is to add armor to the vehicles. To do that we use the blueprint over here. So this opens up a blueprint of the current vehicle, and we're allowed to build specifically front armor, door armor or rear armor for the vehicle. So I just select build on all three, and there we go, we've got those equipped to the vehicle. So let's have a go on this one, just showcase each of the three. Can even have different types of wheels. You can also scroll through all of the items here. There we go. And then let's just apply some of the armor just to showcase how that goes. And each individual vehicle has its own blueprint as well. And I'll show that on this vehicle as well, just quickly. There you go. So future developments for the project, obviously the intent is for this to be for a game, so the game itself will have to be produced. It will either be for mobile or it might be a small desktop game, either or, maybe for both if the controls are applicable for either. Future developments for the blueprint system, I wanted to add suspension and maybe some other types of structural things that can impact the vehicle. A huge thing that needs adding is some sort of UI pop-up to show the stats of the vehicles. So each item, for example, will have different stats. So for example, if we equip an engine, the vehicle should go faster. If we equip different types of wheels that are good for different terrain, then it should be better under certain terrain circumstances. And then of course weaponry to fire different types of projectiles and rams and stuff for different offensive power as well. So some sort of pop-up that displays the different stats of the vehicle, including health as well, and armor values and all those other things will be necessary. And then the final thing that I want to add is to have a save preset to be able to save each of the presets that you make, and then obviously when you go to play the game, they can be used. Alright, thanks for watching.